Hi, I hope this video message finds you doing well. My name is Dr. Vanessa Campagna, and I'm the chair of and an assistant professor in the Department of Theater. I've taught at Monmouth for 6 years, and if teaching through a global pandemic has taught me anything, here's what I've learned about Monmouth. We are a place that is safe, that is smart, that puts students first, that is intellectually engaging, and that we are a dynamic institution. I know you've got a big decision ahead of you. You can feel confident about coming to Monmouth. You will have faculty, staff, and administrators who know you by name, who know where you've been, who know where you want to go, and who at every single turn are making choices with you in mind. So make it Monmouth, and I can't wait to be one of the many people investing in you.
Hi, my name is Professor Audra Goach from the Chemistry Department at Monmouth College, and I've been teaching at Monmouth since 2006. So you guys need to make the decision on what college you want to attend in the fall, and so why would you choose Monmouth? I was thinking about this, and I think that the most important reason is that we support you. If I have a student that wants to go the extra mile and do a little bit more, then I involve them in a research project. If I have a student that is struggling for one reason or another, then I support that student in any way that I can. At Monmouth College, we support you and we support each other.
Hello, my name is Chris Goebel. I'm a professor in the Communication Studies Department. And if I were to answer the question of why I'd want to go to Monmouth, this is for all the diverse faculty interest. I teach mainly media classes, but I'm a huge comic book geek, as you can see from the walls of my home office. And I even teach a course in comic books. So that diverse interest that we all can bring to the class is why I would want to go to Monmouth.
Hi, I'm Chemistry Professor Brad Sturgeon. I hope when you visited Monmouth College you had an opportunity to come see our beautiful laboratories in the new Center for Science and Business. I hope that you choose Monmouth.
Hi, I'm Bob Holshoe-Simmons, co-chair of the Classics Department at Monmouth. What do you get when you come to Monmouth? Among many other things, opportunities for hands-on, engaged learning like this. In my ancient sports class, you will learn how to wrap a javelin with a leather strap and throw it properly. Come to Monmouth.
Hi, I'm David Wright from the Monmouth College English Department, and I believe life is a story. And I think if you choose Monmouth College, your story will be richer, and someone will know your story. So come to Monmouth, help us write your story, let us be part of it, be part of ours.
Are you the sort of person that doesn't mind getting your hands dirty? Well, then you would really like ceramics. At Monmouth College, you can try a variety of things, including ceramics class. My ceramic students are also athletes, they're musicians, they participate in all sorts of activities and academics on campus. So come join us at Monmouth College. I'm Janice Wunderlich in the Department of Art.
Hi, Future Scots. My name is Marnie Dugan, and I am the director of the Career and Leadership Center on campus and also an alumnus of Monmouth College. You should choose Monmouth for its caring community. Monmouth really is an incredible place where students have the opportunity to build genuine relationships across campus.
Hola, yo soy Francisco Ángeles.
Y yo soy Jennifer Thorndike del Departamento de Modern Languages, Literatures and Cultures.
Y de Latin American y Latino Studies.
Queremos invitarlos a que se unan a Monmouth College.
Venimos trabajando para que su llegada encuentren una gran comunidad de estudiantes latinos que los van a recibir con cariño y que van a colaborar activamente en su integración.
Pronto escucharán más sobre nuestros múltiples eventos y oferta de cursos. Los esperamos con mucho entusiasmo. Bienvenidos.
Hi, I'm Lori Walters Kramer. I'm in the Communication Studies Department. We affectionately refer to our department as Commutopia, not only because the faculty members in my department get along really well, it's also because the students feel very comfortable in that space. They hang out, they feel at ease coming into our offices to talk about their assignments, and that's happening in my department, but I know it's happening across campus. So students and faculty develop really special relationships here at Monmouth College.
This is Jen Braun from the Department of Kinesiology, and why do I think you should choose Monmouth? Well, as a mom of 4 kids, I would be happy if they chose Monmouth because of the faculty and student interaction and the relationships that students and faculty are able to build.